I have two robot vacuum cleaners. I have a Shark, and I recently purchased this Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. I like it so much better than the Shark that I have because it's more modern, it's more upgraded. It has a remote, so I can just press the play or the go button to make it go and clean the floors, and then I can set it up to auto, or if I wanted to go to its port, the charger port, just need to click this. If I want the edges or the sides to get clean, press this button. Or if you want a specific spot to get cleaned, I press this button. And if I want to change the power or the settings of the suction power, I just press this. It has low, medium, and maximum suction power. Also, what I really like about this is it's easy to clean. It has no brush in the bottom, unlike my Shark. That has became a big problem because I have a dog, and it doesn't bump really on the walls or on the edges because it is using a sensor, so we don't need to bump for it to see the walls, or it's not gonna hit anything because it has a sensor. But what I really like about this is cleaning all the dirt. You can see here, you can just plug it out and you see all the dirt. Look at the dog hairs in that. And to get rid of that, all I need to do is just take off the lid, and that's it. And put it back inside the robot vacuum.